Hey y'all, let's make smoky pinto beans in the Instant Pot. These beans are super delicious and addictive, and they are very easy to make. You only need 6 simple ingredients to make them, and they all come together in the same pot. Let's do it! Hit the saute button on your Instant Pot and then add oil, onion, garlic, and a little pinch of salt. Saute until the onions start to turn golden, then press cancel. Add pinto beans, smoked paprika, and vegetable broth to the pot and give it a little stir. Now lock the lid, set it to sealing, and cook at pressure for 25 minutes. Let the pressure come down naturally for 10 minutes, then release it manually. Remove the lid, salt to taste, and you are ready to serve. These pinto beans are totally addictive and I can't wait for you to try them. How are you going to eat them first? I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make smoky Instant Pot pinto beans. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!